This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. Let's start off by talking about music. Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I absolutely love listening to music. It's something I do every day, whether I'm commuting, working out, or just relaxing at home. Music helps me focus, unwind, and it lifts my mood.
What kind of music do you usually listen to?
I listen to a wide variety of music, but my favorite types are pop and indie rock. I enjoy songs with catchy melodies, but I also appreciate meaningful lyrics. I often switch types depending on my mood, sometimes going for classical music when I need to concentrate.
Has your taste in music changed over time?
Yes, my taste has definitely evolved over the years. When I was younger, I mostly listened to mainstream pop music, but as I grew older, I started exploring different types like jazz and electronic music. I've also become more interested in international music, especially Latin and K-pop.
Do you prefer listening to music alone or with other people?
I generally prefer listening to music alone because it allows me to fully immerse myself in the sound. However, I do enjoy sharing music with friends when we're at social gatherings or parties, as it brings people together and creates a fun atmosphere.
Have you ever been to a live concert?
Yes, I've been to several live concerts. One of the most memorable was a Coldplay concert a few years ago. The energy of the crowd, the live instruments, and the overall experience were amazing. It's completely different from just listening to music through headphones.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe an outdoor activity you enjoy. You should say what the activity is, where you do it, who you do it with, and explain why you enjoy it.
An outdoor activity I really enjoy is hiking. I live near several scenic hiking trails, and my favorite one leads to a beautiful viewpoint where you can see the entire city and the surrounding mountains. I try to go hiking at least once or twice a month, depending on the weather. I usually go with a group of close friends who also enjoy hiking. We make a day of it, starting early in the morning and bringing snacks to enjoy along the way. The journey up the trail is always fun, and hiking with friends makes the experience even better because we can chat and encourage each other through the more difficult parts. I love hiking because it allows me to escape from the daily routine and spend time in nature. Being outdoors and surrounded by trees, fresh air, and peaceful scenery really helps me clear my mind and relax. It's also a great form of exercise as hiking gives me a good workout, especially when tackling steep trails. In addition to the physical benefits, hiking gives me a sense of accomplishment. When I reach the top and see the stunning views, I feel proud of the effort it took to get there. Overall, it's a perfect combination of physical activity, time with friends, and relaxation.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move to part 3. We are going to continue to talk about outdoor activity. What are the benefits of spending time outdoors?
There are many benefits to spending time outdoors. Firstly, it's great for physical health, as outdoor activities like walking, jogging, or hiking help people stay active. Secondly, being in nature can have a positive effect on mental health. It reduces stress, improves mood, and can help people feel more relaxed. Finally, spending time outdoors encourages social interaction as it's often done with friends or family.
Why do you think some people prefer indoor activities over outdoor ones?
I think some people prefer indoor activities because they find them more convenient and comfortable. For example, many people enjoy watching movies, playing video games, or reading at home, where they don't have to worry about weather conditions or physical exertion. Additionally, some people may live in areas where there aren't many accessible outdoor spaces, which makes indoor activities more appealing.
Do you think children today spend enough time outdoors?
No, I don't think children today spend as much time outdoors as they should. With the rise of technology, many children prefer to play video games or watch TV rather than go outside to play. This can be concerning because outdoor activities are essential for their physical and social development. It's important for parents and schools to encourage children to spend more time outdoors, whether through sports or simply playing in the park.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.